Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to customize the footer section of your Shopify store. Step by step. Whether you want to add links, a newsletter sign-up, or social media icons, this guide will walk you through everything. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your store credentials. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Online Store under the Sales Channel section. Then click on Themes. Now you'll see your current theme listed right at the top. Click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor in a new tab. In the theme editor, check the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down to find the footer section. Click on it to start customizing. Now you'll see an Add Block button. Click on it, and a list of available blocks will pop up, including text menu newsletter, social media, contact info, and more. Pick the block that fits your store's needs. Select the menu block to add your store policies to the footer. Once you click on it, the block will appear in the footer section. Then click Edit. This will take you to the section where you can customize the menu items according to your preferences. Under the menu items, you'll see options for labels and links. This is where you can add important store policies, such as your refund policy and privacy policy. Simply select the policies you want, add them to the menu, and they will automatically appear in your store's footer. Now, when you go back to your storefront and check, you'll see that the privacy policy has been successfully added to the footer. And that's it! You've successfully customized the footer of your Shopify store and add the policies in your footer.